where an umbrella is given. Okay, this is the umbrella which is given. Okay, this is the piece of, this is a umbrella which is given to you. Okay, now we need to find, the question is that an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth, right? So first we need to understand that 10 triangular pieces of cloth are utilized in making this umbrella, right? How much pieces? 10. So 10 piece of cloth, 10 piece of cloth is required in making this umbrella, right? So if these 10 pieces are stitched together and all these 10 pieces are triangular, okay, you can see here these are triangular in shape, right? And these are for two different colors. You can see this shaded one is of different color and the blank is of different color. So I use this naming format or coloring format to identify and distinguish the two different colors, right? Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. That means if you see this umbrella like this, if you see this umbrella like this, okay, from the top you can see, just forget about the edge of this. This is not circular. If this will look like a triangle, then this will be like this, right? And another one will be looking like this. If this will be the shaded one, right, then this is the another color. So this is of color one color, and this part is of second color, right? So two different colors have been used like this. Again the third one is blank, the fourth one will be the shaded one, right? Again a blank, then next one is a shaded one. Like this we have this umbrella's top view, right? So this is the side view and this will be the top view. So this is a this is a triangle. Okay, so just consider this sharp edges, like this will be triangle. All these are triangles, right, around this edge. And the sides of these triangles of each piece is 20 into 50 into 50, right? That means one of this side, let's say this one is 50, then another this one is 50, and the last, the smallest side is 20, right? So we can see the three sides, let it be A, B and C. So the three sides of any of this piece is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter, right? So these are the three sides. Okay, if this is A, this is B, then this will be C, right? I think you are able to distinguish A, B and C. I am marking with deep color A, B and C, right? And this is A 50, B 50, C 20, right? You can see the measurement over here, right? We need to find how much cloth of each color is required to make this umbrella. This umbrella is made, the top view, this is the top view, this is looking view from the top, right? If this umbrella is like this, then how much cloth is required? How much cloth is required in making this umbrella, right? Sorry. So first of all, if you find the area of this rectangle, this triangle, I'm just saying rectangle, but it's triangle. So if this triangle, plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this, because there are 10 pieces of two different colors, right? Total 10 pieces of two different colors. So if you consider this one color, that means the blank one, and you can see that there are total 10 pieces. So for the first color, this will be 5 piece, right? And for the second color, this will be 5 piece, right? Because you can see if this is the one of the piece, right, and the adjacent one will be a shaded one like this, right? So the shaded color, for the shaded color 5 pieces will be required, and for the blank one another 5 pieces will be required. When you add up, you will find 10, right? This will be, when you add up, you will get 10. So these are the 10 pieces of the clothes which are required in making this umbrella like this, right? Now we need to find the total cloth required in making this umbrella. So if you find the area of 5 such shaded triangles and the area of 5 such white triangles or the different color triangle, and all those 10 areas, that means 5 plus 5 equal to 10, then you will get the area of the entire umbrella, isn't it? So let us now find it out. What are the two different areas for these two triangles? Just for one of the triangle, you are going to calculate it, right? So let me remove this paper. 1 minute. Now for the single piece of triangle like this will be A as 50, B as 50, and C as 20, right? What I have shown it over here, you can see A, B and C, right? Now if A 50, B 50, C 20, then this area will be calculated as, this is an, you can consider it as an scalene triangle, right? So the area of this triangle area is calculated as root over of, what is the formula, tell me? You can put up into the comment box. It's root over of S into S minus A, then S minus B, then S minus C, isn't it? Right? Where S is the semi-perimeter. What? Semi-perimeter. And what is the semi-perimeter? That means the sum of A plus B plus C. This is your semi-perimeter. Right? Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Semi. That's why 2 is there into the denominator. So A plus B plus C divided by 2 is your semi-perimeter. Right? So this will give you the area of one of the triangle. So what is the value of A? Since A as 50, you can see A as 50. So just add 50 plus B. What is the value of B? It's again 50. And what is the value of C? It's 20. So just add it. Divided by 2. This will give you 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 20. 120 divided by 2 is 60. So 60 is the value of S. 60 is the value of S, which is calculated. Okay. Now this is the semi-perimeter. So the area of the triangle, area of one of the triangle is calculated as root over of S. That means 60 into 60 minus A. What is the value of A? 50. You can see 60 minus 50. Then again the second term S minus B, that will be 60 minus B will be again 50, right? And the third term is S minus C, you can see. So this will be 60 minus, this is entire root, 60 minus the third one, the third side is 20. 60 minus 20. So this will give you root over of 60 into 60 minus 50 will be 10, then again 10, then again 40, right? So this will give you area of one of the triangles. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So 100 will be coming out from this root. And under this root, we have 6 into 4, 24. Root over of 24 into 100 centimeter square is the area of the triangle, is the area of one of the triangle, right? Now this is area of one of the triangle, this you have calculated, and there are 5 shaded colors, so this will be multiplied with 5 because 5 such pieces are required, right? And the another color, this one, the blank one, this is again 5 pieces. So then again 5 pieces, that means 5 plus 5, 10 pieces of such clothes will be required, which are in the form of a triangle, and such 10 pieces are used and stitched together like this to form a umbrella, right? So this is the umbrella. If these are the pieces 1 2 3 4 dot 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 10 pieces of triangular clothes are used, then these all are stitched together to form a umbrella like this, right? And the area of this one of the triangle we have calculated as root over 24 into 100 centimeter square. This will give you, this will give you the area of one of the triangle and 10 such triangles. That means I have shown you 5 colored one and 5 blank. So you can see this was the color one and this is the blank. So total 5 plus 5, 10. So this will be multiplied by 10, right? So this will give you the area of the entire cloth which is used in stitching this umbrella, right? So in this way we have solved it, right? So I think any query you can put up into the comment box, and just like and subscribe, students. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. And I think in this way we have solved this question of mensuration, where it's very clearly asked that then the umbrella is made up of made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece required is 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Then how much cloth of each color is required in making this umbrella, right? So we have solved such question, and I think you understood it, right? Thank you so much for watching. Take care, students, right? So what we did, the size, the dimensions as given for each of the piece, we have used these dimensions to calculate the area of one of the triangle. So area of one of such triangle is root 24 into 100 centimeter square. This will be multiplied with 10 pieces, right? Because here you can see 10 pieces, and 10 pieces, that means 5 of this color and 5 of another color, right? Total 10. So this will be multiplied by 10. This will be multiplied by 10. So this will give you root 24 into 1000, because 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 into 100, 1000 centimeter square. This much of centimeter square of cloth required. This much of area of cloth will be required, right? So I hope you understood this question correctly. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Happy learning. Bye bye, students. Yep. Thank you. Bye bye.